I just completed a program by LetItGoDiet.com of eating clean for 3 weeks.
Alright, it's game time. And everyone says, hey, Let It Go, what do you do during game time to have a snack? Well, the Let It Go diet has non-starchy snacks to snack on. You just got to cut it up yourself. Mushrooms, peppers, Brussels sprouts, cucumbers. There's a whole slew of them, and they're all on the list. But it's game time. You're like, come on. Honestly, I don't want to eat peppers. I want something tasty. We're making watermelon chicken wings. Let's give it a woo woo, woo woo. Watermelon chicken wings. Before we get to it, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Thank you for tuning in. Much appreciated. I understand snack time is important during game day. So, how do we make watermelon chicken wings? First ingredient, no chicken wings. No chicken wings. Sorry about that, no chicken wings. So, get a watermelon. I already made it, but I'll show you how I did it. Cut up some watermelon into small pieces. They don't have to be small, it's up to you. Cuts quick and easy. Watch how fast this recipe takes. Chicken wings don't take this long. They take way longer. Way longer, my friends. Way longer. Next up, some mint leaves. I like to chop them up just to get that mint releasing from the leaf. And here's what's good about this recipe. Watermelon is 99% water. Combined with the mint, it acts as an appetite suppressant. So when you're doing juicing days, if you choose like 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 juicing days, which you should, it's packed with nutrients, but you want to chew every so often. This is when you make up your watermelon chicken wings. Snack on that a little bit each day, a cup or two, and you'll be fine. Alright, what's the last ingredient? What makes it super, super tasty, just like chicken wings? Hot sauce. Pour it on. Be generous. It is super tasty, super juicy. Give it a good stir. I'll bring this close so you can check it out. Check out the watermelon chicken wings. As always, give it a live taste. Mint, watermelon, hot sauce. The hotter the hot sauce, the better the snack. Tune in to the Let It Go station. Make sure you subscribe. Watch all the videos, all 21 days. I'm down 13 pounds in 17 days. I have a few more to go. I'll be down 15 pounds or more. Peace! Watermelon chicken wings.